Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today's video actually the final video for this project. So in this video actually we will show you the CSS and the media query. Actually our project is so messy, right? So actually I want to show them properly, I mean in a nice way. So I have to do styles, so that's why actually I have created all style.css file, and here you can see all header.php for the list. So basically I just create something. If I refresh, now you can see we have sign up here and dashboard. If I click on dashboard, here you can see we are in the we are logged in as subscriber. Now if I log out, now you can see we have blog. We can click here and we can show here the blog. We can go to the dashboard, but if we want to go to the dashboard, we have to log in first. Okay, if I am not logged in, I have to sign up, then I can click here sign up. And now let's do CSS so that it looks awesome. So actually I will show you how actually you can do this through ChatGPT. Okay, if I show you step by step the whole process, it will take long time. Trust me, it will take long time because I have to change every single thing. So let's do it using ChatGPT, right? So here I will go to the ChatGPT. So I will go here chatgpt.com, and here let's say I want to upload the project. So I have created the zip file. You just have to right click on the file, I mean your project, and then you just have to compress to zip file. Okay, so I have already created zip file. So let me just delete it. I will show you how you can do this. So I'm in the htdocs folder, right? In the gem file htdocs folder, and in the htdocs we have the project file. So I will click on the project. Here you can see this is our project file. So I will actually copy it. I will actually compress it to zip file, let's say, and here this is the zip file. So actually I want to upload this zip file in the ChatGPT. So I will just drag and drop it like this, and I will say that I want my website as simple. Okay, I want you to do CSS or style for my website. Please read it. You read it and create and do styling for the website. It should be as simple as possible. I will not use any bootstrap. Okay, and let's enter. Okay, so you can see it's saying that I will extract the content of your blog post dot zip, right? Okay, so it's saying that along with CSS file name all style.css, I can style your website by modifying CSS. Okay, so I will say okay, modifying. Okay, it's saying that all style.css file is empty, and I will create a simple clean CSS design for your website now. So if I go here, you can see that, let me just go to the code editor here, and there is nothing, right? So it will actually create for us. So let's check. So now you can see it's creating all the CSS according to our needs, right? Okay, so let's check it. Okay, so it's saying that I have added a simple and clean website. Okay, so I will just copy it and I will actually paste it inside here. So let's save it, and actually want to uh, insert this all style.css in the every single page. So I will go to the, let's say the display post will be the index file. I mean, when somebody actually want to visit our website, they will actually see this page. Here you can see index.php actually include the display post. So I will go to the display post, and here I will actually I have to implement it. So here you can see include all header.php, so I have to go to the all header. Okay, type here link, and in the href actually I want to say that all style.css. okay, now actually we have import it. Now let's go to the browser, and now if I refresh, here you can see we have nice view. And one thing is here you can see we have list item, right? I mean list style showing here. So let me just remove it. So I will go to the style, and here let's say all header, and we have main header, right? So we have ul. So I will actually, I can say here main header, and I just want to access the class. So dot and main header ul li, the list style should be none. Okay, and if I refresh, now you can see there is no style. So if I click on sign up, you can see now I can sign up. If I click on blog, let's say I don't want to sign up, I will go to the blog and I want to read the blog, let's say. So here you can see the title and the content. So everything is up to date here. From our next video, we will actually start a new project, and I will see you there. Till then, goodbye.